It's hopeless. Oh. What's this? So that's where you've been. Looks like you're doing all right for yourself, Oliver. Your owner probably spends more money on catnip than we do on food in a month. He's probably worried sick about you, all alone in that big house, with only his money to comfort him, only his millions and millions of dollars to... That's it! We're saved! Oh, what a plan. Oh, yes, paper! Paper! Oh, it's so great. Dear Mr. Rich, Mr. Very Rich,